In this video, I am going to show how to read Instagram messages without seeing or without knowing them. At first, open your Instagram app, then click Instagram Message option. Then you can see the message, which one you want to read without knowing them. Now off your data connection or Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. And refresh, and then you can read all messages without knowing them. And that is how to read Instagram messages without seeing or without knowing them. If this method will work, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. And comment, "It's worked." Thank you.